In this video, we'll break down the basics of cryptocurrency, what it is, how it works, and why Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other cryptocurrencies are transforming the world. If you're new to crypto, this is the perfect starting point. Watch until the end to feel confident about diving into the crypto world. 1. What is cryptocurrency? Cryptocurrency is digital money that operates on blockchain technology. Unlike traditional currencies issued by governments, cryptocurrencies are decentralized, meaning no single entity controls them. Blockchain, a public ledger that records all transactions, making crypto secure and transparent. Cryptography ensures that transactions are secure and tamper-proof. 2. Bitcoin, the pioneer of cryptocurrency. Bitcoin, BTC, was the first cryptocurrency, created in 2009 by an anonymous person or group known as Satoshi Nakamoto. Key features: limited supply of 21 million coins, often called digital gold due to its store of value properties. Use cases: a hedge against inflation, peer-to-peer payments without intermediaries. 3. Ethereum, the smart contract platform. Ethereum, ETH, goes beyond being digital money. It's a blockchain that allows developers to build decentralized applications, DApps, using smart contracts. Smart contracts, self-executing contracts with terms written directly into code. Use cases: decentralized finance, DeFi, NFTs, non-fungible tokens, gaming and virtual real estate. 4. Other popular cryptocurrencies. Binance Coin, BNB, used to power transactions on the Binance exchange and its ecosystem. Cardano, ADA, focused on sustainability and scalability. Solana, SOL, known for its high-speed and low-cost transactions. Each cryptocurrency has its unique features and use cases, so it's essential to understand their purposes before investing. 5. How to get started with crypto. Step 1. Educate yourself on the fundamentals. Step 2. Open an account on a trusted crypto platform. Step 3. Start small, invest only what you can afford to lose. Step 4. Store your crypto securely using wallets. Ready to start your crypto journey? The first step to investing in crypto is choosing a secure and reliable platform. I highly recommend opening an account with the best Forex and crypto trading platform. You'll find the link in the description and pinned comment below to get started safely and easily. Enjoyed the video? Support the channel. If this guide helped you, checkmark like this video to show your support. Checkmark share it with friends who are curious about crypto. Checkmark subscribe to the channel for more beginner-friendly guides. Have any questions or need clarification? Drop a comment below, and I'll respond to help you out. Thanks for watching, and welcome to the exciting world of cryptocurrency.
Here we go! I see the light inside you, brighter than the skies. Hold on, just let us escape and fly away tonight.